Hey guys, so this short video is going to explain to you the first law of thermodynamics, and today I'm going to use an engine to help me. So internal combustion engines usually have an efficiency of about 25%, which isn't very good. So a lot of the energy that they receive is pumped out through heat and sound. So with a big V8 like this, we need to have some sort of cooling system, because if we didn't, then the engine itself would get far too hot and we could lead to damaging things such as the heads, head gaskets, blowing a piston, or even putting a hole in the block. So how do we do this? It's through the cooling system. So here we have the inlet, which comes from the top of the block and it pumps into here, which is called the radiator. It flows through the radiator down to the bottom and then out the outlet, back through the water pump and into the block, so it's a closed system. Now, cleverly uses the second law of thermodynamics in two places. Once in the engine, where there's a really high temperature and it heats up the cooling fluid before it comes into the radiator. So then when the cooling fluid comes into the radiator, it's really hot and it needs to go down in temperature. So what happens is the radiator has a really high surface area and it will flow all the way through all the pinions, all the way down until it's cooled off and flow back out through the outlet back into the engine. And the second law of thermodynamics is that the entropy of a closed system will always increase, and that's shown on the engine where it heats up, and then at the radiator where it cools down. The disorder of a closed system will always decrease. So that's how the second law of thermodynamics works.